What's up, YouTube? Today we finna play some bowling. Alright, y'all. Then we'll come out. Alright, y'all. I'm doing 3, 2, 1. Wait, can you hold the phone?
I got you. He wants you to see him. Okay,
All
go
right,
ahead.
I'm finna do it 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. Time for this.
Time for number 2. Go ahead.
Alright, y'all. So this is what actually like very special than the last one. So I hope I get it. I was so close.
It's cool. Hey.
Alright, yo. So I'll probably go out to wait. I'll probably go out to wait for this.
But he winning though. Look, he winning, y'all.
Very good, bro. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. My TT up her bowling, and then like when she done bowling, I'm gonna do it too. At least you got one. Alright, now it's time for my... Oh, it's your turn. Damn. Alright, y'all.
Go ahead, nigga.
Alright. Alright, y'all. Three, 2, 1. At least it was good though. Alright, y'all. I think it's my turn. Yeah, I'm doing very good right now, bro. Like, I'm doing very good. Like, how am I on the top? How am I on the top, y'all? Like, let me know in the comments. Have you ever won bowling? Like, yo. Like, how? Alright, y'all. I got the bowling ball right here. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, y'all. Put it in the bowl.
Okay. He can have and you.
Alright, I'm in the video.